Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we have something sent over by Stacks or StacksKB. So we are going to talk about switches. Now if you are someone who's really new to switches and don't know what they are, try checking out this video on my channel and do consider subscribing if this helped. Now Stacks have a really good variety of switches to choose from, including linears, tactiles, clicky and more at a very decent pricing, so consider checking them out. For this video I am sent Holy Pandas inspired clicking HP tactile switches and clicking OF linear switches. We are going to talk about how they feel, how they sound, what makes them unique, and I'll be doing a giveaway, so stick around till the end.
Boom, bam, bop, pow. Now as per my final thoughts, HP switches are good sounding soft tactiles with a bouncy typing feeling and don't feel very hard like other tactile switches to type on. On the other hand, OF linear switches sound thokey and smooth like to type on, probably my favorite among these two. These are easy on the fingers and good for fast typing. Now selecting switches are totally objective. किसी की पसंद कुछ और होती है, किसी की पसंद कुछ और. So if you are buying switches for the first time, buy them in small batches first to try which one will suit your style, and then buy the same in a full pack. Now if you enjoyed watching this video, do consider subscribing and comment down which switch among these two are your favorite. I will randomly be picking two winners, one from YouTube and one from Reddit, and will send these switches to you. Till then, take care and stay healthy.